Right, little unboxing video. Little 100-watt amplifier. One off of eBay from Knights Electricom on their radio clearance corner. Felt a bit sorry for it when I seen it, because he said it had been sat in a shed, in a damp shed, for over 20 years. So let's have a look. Nobody was interested in bidding on it. I think one other person had a crack and won the bid at a pricely sum, £10.50. It's got no tube in it, and it's a little bit of a sorry state at the moment. Once I get into it, I think it's a single tube, this 6KD6 I think, which I've got plenty of. Let's see how he's packed this well. Blimey, he's packed it well. Let's have a look. A bit more knifing. There we go. We're getting it now. A clue. Who's going to guess what it is before it comes out? It's 100-watt single tube. I think it's a 6KD6 or a EL509 or EL519 originally. But I think some of them had the 6KD6 in it, if I remember rightly. So obviously it's Italian. You get the darn thing out there. He always packs stuff good, Doug does, or whoever packs it for him does it good. Let's have a look. It's not a Bremmy, no. Whoever just said it's a Bremmy, no, it's not. Get into the damn thing. Well, there we go, a little bit more. I'll pass the parcel in it. Nearly there. It's got signs of rust, and damp, corrosion and all sorts of stuff. But I'm going to do my best to bring this back to life and give it a cleaning up. Here we go. Anyone know yet? Some of you have probably seen it on eBay. CTE International, a little speedy. Meter looks as though it might save. Switches are functional. Plate and load's functional. So, I think we're in with half a chance here. Let me see if I've got a screwdriver at hand. We'll have a look inside before I finish the short video. Well, not that short of a video, because I'm long-winded half the time. Place is a tip at the moment. I've got 2 ships in at the moment. There, let's draw. And it's hectic. We've got another one. We're working all bank holiday weekend because we got a tugboat to fix that's got extra work on it. Here we go, flat screwdriver now. It's great when they're in mishmash of screws. Never got loads on. And then we got another Arclo. After this Arclo goes, the Arclo Valiant. It's arriving Monday, docking it down Tuesday. We've got the Arclo A-Class coming in. So it's pretty damn busy. As always, the screw's just turning and turning. Get that one out. Right, a little flatty now. There's the dog's going mad at someone. barking at ting. There we are, little fly. Let's have a look. It's a terrible state inside. Those of you who viewed it on eBay will know. But it's a little challenge. That's how old it is. No insulating on the 13 amp plug. Don't know when that came legal. Ages ago now, isn't it? I got transformers that'll go in these. I think I bought 18 brand new ones off of Dougie about 3 years ago. Thereabouts. Still got 6 left, I think. There we are. Let's have a look inside. This will rub down, probably completely strip it. Ooh, look. Yeah, single 6kd6 by looking at the socket. All this gunge in here, look. Circuit board looks awful. All sorts of growth in there. That relay's going to need a damn good clean. It looks like it's got fungus all over it. These caps, I'll replace them. But I've got hopes for this, so I'll do a video on it, a few more videos on it. But I'll give it a damn good strip down and a clean up first, and see what we can make of it. There we are, spares or repair. Lights up, no valve, being damp. Very good. Okie dokie. It's rather new. Little speedy CT International 100 watt linear amplifier.